Hey guys, this is Ryan from Strive Labs with this week's Tuesday tip. We're going to continue to follow this month's theme of the ROI of patient relationship management. This week, we're going to focus in on new patient generation or getting patients from off the street or consumers from off the street to choose your services over somebody else's. And one of the ways that Strive Hub helps physical therapy clinics do that is through online reputation management, right? So there are a couple fundamental things that we know about how people choose physical therapy. One, we know that it's changing a little bit, right? There's a growing importance of non-traditional means of acquisition outside of MD referrals, such as word of mouth, online reputation, and those sorts of things. And we also know that when it comes to online reputation, 88% of people trust online reviews as much as one-to-one recommendations from their friends and colleagues, right? So huge importance on growing those. But we also know it has a tangible ROI, right? There's a Harvard Business Review study that shows that a 1-star increase to your rating can yield a 5 to 10% increase in your revenue over a given time span. And so that's a massive amount of revenue just by increasing the number of stars you have on a web page. So it's definitely important to focus in on it. And the way that we do that with Strive Hub is making it really simple for your most ardent supporters to share their experience with you online. So again, we're leveraging a really simple tool called the Net Promoter that we're delivering automatically for you early on and around discharge to identify the people who are more likely to share a positive experience about you. So we call those promoters. They're people who score on the high end. Anybody who scores on the high end, what we can then do is automatically deliver them a really simple follow-up a couple days after they score high on the survey that essentially makes it simple for that patient to click over to Google Local or Yelp or whatever you're focusing in on getting those reviews from, where then we click, the review pops right up, they can press 5 stars and post right from there. Really, really simple. And the benefit here is, again, what we're targeting is improving local search engine optimization, as local search engine optimization yields the highest quality leads in terms of people looking for a local solution to a problem. So really, it's what service are you providing, what city are you in, what state are you in. So in this case, it's physical therapy, Woburn, Mass. You want to rank at the top of this search query. And as you can see, ProX Physical Therapy, by getting a bunch of 5-star reviews, as well as Fitzgerald Physical Therapy, both of these guys are Strive Hub customers, are ranking towards the top here. Obviously, there are other components that are going to dictate how you rank on this Google Local, such as title tag, URL, meta description, what's on your web page. And we can walk through the basics of SEO, and we'll be doing that next month. We also know that part of the way that Google sorts these local rankings is how many reviews you have. And to kind of point to that, you'd be hard pressed to search for a location that ProX Physical Therapy is in where they're not at least ranking towards the top with a bunch of 5-star reviews. In some of their small towns like Middleton, Massachusetts, but also some of the big towns like Back Bay in Boston, Massachusetts, right? ProX pops right up to the top, as well as in the financial district in Boston. So it's one of those things that just by understanding who your most ardent supporters are, you can get reviews at your 1 location if you're 1 location, 15 locations if you're 15 locations. And it's going to help you across the board in terms of people looking for your services in the city and state that you provide them. So overall, if you have any additional questions as it pertains to either local search engine optimization or reputation management, you can reach out to me directly, Ryan@strivelabs.com, or you can give us a shout on Twitter. That's @strive_labs. Otherwise, look out for our next Tuesday tip next week, and we will talk with you all soon.